Do you feel like your auto repair shop's profit margins are not where they need to be? Does running your shop feel like a juggling act? Help drive your shop forward with RO Writer. RO Writer is a shop management software that can help make organizing and managing your business simple and effective, like a well-oiled machine. Unify all your operations in one place. From searching repair guides, ordering parts, managing inventory, service writing, scheduling, communicating with customers, invoicing, and more. Already using other software or tools? RO Writer integrates with some of the biggest names in the automotive industry. Integrate with CRM, accounting, and repair platforms. Spend less time wearing multiple hats. Control costs, create happy customers, and see your bottom line grow. Curious to see how RO Writer can work for your shop? Join thousands of happy shop owners who use RO Writer. Book a demo today.